My name is Diego Trujillo. I'm the CEO of Las Vegas Heals. After going through this pandemic, one of the things that really caught my eye and my attention, I oversee different healthcare groups, and I started noticing a lot of displacement of different workers. Where we thought that healthcare might be slammed in all arenas during COVID, we had some nurses being laid off and marketers and different staff being laid off, and at the same time we had other companies that could not find enough employees. It really was kind of a weird place, and one of the things that we saw early on was that if we were going to move forward past COVID and we were going to rebuild the healthcare community here, it was essential that we would have the right employers with the right employees. And so one of the ideas that we came up with was to initiate job fairs specific for healthcare, both skilled and even entry-level jobs. And we wanted to get these health fairs going. Thank God for Emerald at Queensridge that stepped up. They saw the need within our community. You know, if we're going to rebuild healthcare, we want to do it right, and we need a strong foundation. And the foundation of that is good employees that are happy in their jobs and employers that have the right employees that can help them take their vision to the next level to be able to serve the Vegas community. So we're very excited to be able to do this today.
I'm Fred Simons with Insperity. We are a full-service HR provider, and we're here to celebrate Las Vegas Heals, kind of getting back into the community. This is a hiring on-the-spot job fair, and what we do is help businesses succeed so communities prosper. Our mission is to really bring out the best in the Las Vegas businesses, helping the Vegas healthcare community prosper. So our goal is to work with all this, these great companies within Heals healthcare community, help them attract and retain the top talent, help with all the risk mitigation, all the questions on HR and so forth, and anything that we can do to help these people support these great employees, get them back to work, make sure that we have really the best health, education, healthcare within the community. That is our goal. Again, I'm Fred Simons with Insperity, and we love Heals and just here to bring out the best in everybody.